Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the Miele CM 5300, huh? Both bean-to-cup espresso machines, but they seem pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. The Breville's going for around $800, while the Miele is significantly pricier, around $1,400. Is the Miele worth almost double?
Well, let's look at what you get. The Breville boasts a touchscreen interface for easy customization. You can save up to 8 personalized coffees. Pretty slick, right?
That's cool. The Miele, though, seems to focus on automation and convenience. It has one touch for two, meaning it can make 2 drinks at once. Plus, it includes a coffee pot for brewing larger batches.
Ah, good point. The Breville has a faster heat-up time, thanks to its thermojet system. Only 3 seconds. That's a big plus if you're impatient like me in the morning.
True, but the Miele emphasizes aroma preservation with its cone grinder. They claim it's quieter and made of wear-resistant steel. Plus, it has automatic cleaning programs, including milk pipework cleaning. Less hassle, maybe?
Cleaning is a definite win for the Miele. The Breville does come with cleaning accessories, but automatic is always better. The Breville's got a slightly bigger water tank, though, 67 ounces versus the Miele's smaller reservoir.
I see. The Miele is a bit bigger and heavier, which could be a factor depending on your counter space. It's 25.1 pounds compared to the Breville's 21.8.
And, the Breville has a higher customer rating, 4.4 stars compared to Miele's 3.6. Could be something to consider.
Interesting. So if you want something that's easy to use, customizable, and heats up fast, the Breville Barista Touch seems like a solid choice.
But if you're looking for maximum automation, hands-off cleaning, and the ability to brew larger quantities, and don't mind paying more, the Miele CM 5300 might be the way to go. It really depends on your priorities and budget, I guess. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.